What's poppin', guys? It's Noah Martin back with your boy here again today. I got my friend Cordell and my friend Marky. Y'all seen him in my other video of the strange things. And I'm at my friend's apartments, guys, and I've been hearing like strange noises that doesn't sound like a human. And it's coming back from the gate area, and it's really creeping me out.
And he sounds like a raccoon.
It sounds weird. It sounds like it's not human. I don't know if you can see. Dude, I just heard it. We just heard it like off camera. I took my camera. Let's go down here. This is the reason why I took my camera out, so I can see if I can get this stuff on film. Oh, Roy said he saw him down here. Marky, Roy said he saw him down here. Mom won't hear him. All right, let's see if we can get him on camera. Shh, shh, shh. Hear that? Shut up, Marky. I'm really creeped out. Did you hear that? Hello? What the fuck was that? Hello? I'm out. Dude, what is that noise? I'm not even trying to be freaking out right now.
Bro!
Run! Run!
You back there.
Dude, we saw the guy again. He threatened us yesterday. He says, shut up for I beat you. So I'm gonna see if I can get this stuff on camera. So we're going out there to find it. My camera needs to focus. Let's go back out there. Cordell! He's coming from over there. No, I'm not even joking. Dude, it's like paranormal activity, but at the same time, it's just some person trying to mess with us. You smell that cologne? My grandpa's. He wears that.
Bro, it's out there!
What the? Dude, I'm hearing it coming from over there. Where my friend is standing, from behind that fence, that's where we're hearing it. Because behind that fence, there's a whole bunch of hobos. There's a whole bunch of There's a whole bunch of hobos. And there's like there's a next neighborhood over, but in the... Go, 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 go. Go, go, go. This way, Chris's house. Okay, guys. Okay, dude, I'm not even joking. You saw that, right? Dude, I saw him because there's a neighborhood over, and then so in that back alley over that fence where we see him, over there, those are woods, and the next over is neighborhood.
Remember with me and Cordell would always be at his house at night, and we would be on his porch, and we'll look back there and we would see shadows and stuff.
For real?
For real.
You want to do it, Cordell, tonight on video? Marky, you want to team up with us? I'll call you. We should do this. We should all, when your mom's fast asleep, we should all come out here at night and go back, and not go back there, but look through the fence with Marky, and I'll call him, okay? YouTube video. Do it for the fans, okay? Guys, smash that like button. Give me 10 likes for the first hour. I want to get to 1K though. Give me a lot of subscribers, man. Shout out to my friend Marky in the cut, and that's Cordell in the cut right there. Subscribe to them. They got TikTok, guys. Well, Marky has Instagram underscore. It's right there. Go upstairs. Oh yeah. Shh. Feel mine.
Honestly. Cut.